Time news this evening. Bloody weekend. 25 people murdered in the past 72 hours. Exodus. Fear driving Trenchtown residents out of community despite police presence. And curfew again. Sections of Clarendon under new security measure as cops target criminals.
Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what additional measures do you believe can effectively curtail Jamaica's murder problem?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.